How to access files on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. The Files app is your iPhone's built-in file browser like Finder on Mac or File Explorer on Windows. So in order to open it, first of all find the File app on your home screen, blue folder icon, and tap on it. Now inside the File app, in the browsing section, you can see iCloud Drive on my iPhone, downloads recently deleted, and other iCloud drives. In iCloud Drive, your Apple Cloud storage are saved. So simply tap on the iCloud Drive first. After the iCloud Drive, you can see the On My iPhone option available. The files saved locally on your iPhones are saved in there. After the On My iPhone, you can see downloads, recently deleted, where files you downloaded from Safari or apps are saved, your recently removed file, you can recover them, and other drives option available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.